I have a GR Ducktail boot lip, whatever you want to call it. Technically, the factory is already, it's a bit of a lip. I think it's really nice, but I always want to add a little bit extra. Just cannot help myself. So, I've watched some videos already. It should be relatively simple. So basically, I need to remove this trim piece here. There's just a whole bunch of clips that you can just undo with a small flathead. Beneath there's going to be 6 bolts in the middle. I think they're 10, maybe 12. And we got 8mm bolts, 2 on each end. And basically we just push the lip off. And yeah, then we can get to drilling. I just saw inside the boxes like all the template and everything, so you can't really go wrong in doing this. So this should be pretty quick, I'd say. So while we have Mr. Dorifto here, really keen on it, we're going to finish this off. So we're pretty much past the halfway point. Shout out to Jesse for helping with this order. So we have the 6 bolts that are going to be used to mount after I drill the holes into this bad boy. Scary. This is the fuel filter for the GS to get that back up and running, so that's pretty sweet. And then we have the piece.
I cannot race. I cannot race. I cannot racing.
This is the piece here. It's funny because like without them being on top of each other, they look really, really similar. The layout, thickness and all that, it's pretty much the same. But here we have all the double-sided tape and all the mounting points after I drill into this bad boy.
Your cars.
Yes. So yeah, let's get to that point.
Let's get black one.
Yes.
You need to turn on the TV. You need to turn on the back button like this. You need to turn on the back button. So I need to get out. So I need to get out too. I need to get out also too. This is for a race car. For our race car. For our race car. This is for our race car. Daddy, this is for our race car.
Cool. Alright, so that all lines up super nice. You can feel it, and that one lines up really well. And this one also lines up pretty much. Well, this one's a bit off, I reckon. So it doesn't feel that great. Because the most important part actually is like these guys here.
The race cars.
Super important, so which means these edges have to be spot on. So yeah, that's that. Alright, so last one. Quick sanity check with the boot lip. Just gonna have a quick look underneath just to make sure it makes all the sense in the world. So that is gonna line up with all that. Not yet, Jacob. Yeah, so it looks like it should all line up pretty much spot on. So yeah, now I just have to drill some holes.
Oh.
Time to drill some holes, Mr. Jacob.
Oh. That's why he needs a hole.
And yeah, this should be fun. So, this is the first hole that I'm making. So that's one. Terrifying. That's two. All right. So that's that done. Now I need the 10 mil. Oh, drilling into new car stuff is kind of scary. But that is okay. And these ones are required to be 10 mil on this side. Massive. Alright, so these better be correct. Sorry? No, I had a green one. I don't know where I put it. Nice. I'm gonna do it on this beanbag because this is the safest place right now. But yeah, as you can see, this is where all the holes go. The center ones are the most closely aligned here. And then the outsides have a fair amount of space. And the bolts actually wiggle as well. But they're quite thickly flanged, so that's easy enough to get sorted. And you can see the studs inside as well. They have like a Loctite type thing, so yeah, this bad boy is not going anywhere. Sweet. So that's the way it looks on the lip. Oh my god, this is going to be so sweet. Effectively what I will do is I'm going to drop the plugs through. I think what I'll do is pretty much just going to try and line up everything back where it's supposed to go. And then I'll lift this back up. And then I think I'll pretty much just press it all back in. Before we do too much, pull all the grommets back. Just make sure everything works hanky-panky, right? Near the carb. Yep, still unlocks. So that's sweet. So I'm pretty much just going to start putting all the bolts back. Dunskies. So that is the GR Ducktail finally installed. Oh, super happy with that. That was relatively easy. I'll take some nice photos tomorrow. But yeah, I think that looks sick.